Hello guys, welcome to Smile with Vibhuti. Today I have more jewelry for you. The golden jewelry I told you last time. Before we start, you are supporting so much on my channel and thank you for that. I will be pleased if you guys will subscribe my channel because it's free. Today because we have this jewelry for which we generally wear on weddings. I didn't have a sari ready, so I wore my lehenga blouse and this odni on that so that I can look like I'm wearing a sari, and these all golden jewelry can go on that. So our first item is these neck pieces. These neck pieces are brought from Bangalore. This is a short one, this is the middle one, and there was one long which apparently has lost. These were quite an expensive. I think she brought this whole set of 3, and there were like earrings, like this short earrings, not this long. This short earrings there were. I think the whole set was for 700. I tell you that these are really affordable because look at the material. The material is so nice. It's not getting damaged in any way or rusting or anything like that. So it's really worth it. So next we have this one. It is called a chapra kanthi in Marathi, and at the look how it shines. This is those jewelry that come in 1 gram. There is a golden plating on it so that it never loses its shine and never rust or never get damaged. This single pieces, its price is 750 rupees, and I think it's available everywhere. So it looks nice on a sari which has a zari work. After that we have this one Chaprakan's one is not 1 gram jewelry, so you can look at the difference of this one and this one. They both are of the same age. This one also we brought 1 year earlier, and this one also, but its shine has gone, its color is losing, and this one is as good as we brought it just now. So there is obviously difference in this jewelry. And one thing I tell you that we buy these kind of jewelry in 1 gram because we go to parties or functions very less, no, so we can wear cheap material, but when it comes to our mummy, anyone elder, so they goes to functions and weddings more often, and they need to wear some good quality ornaments, or we have this is like this we brought because this one was getting rusted, so we brought this one, and this is also from 1 gram jewelry. You can go on a jeweler shop and you can ask for these 1 gram jewelries. They are quite affordable and they don't rust, they don't harm your skin. These both we got it for 750. So they are not this much expensive like gold ornaments. They are obviously they are quite more expensive. This jewelry is quite a simpler. I have seen so much variety in this 1 gram jewelry, but again I will say, when it comes to who goes more often to the weddings, they should get these 1 gram jewelry, because you should not harm your skin in any way. I protect my skin very much. I get very limited products, but I get them like the branded ones. Our skin is really important, and when it gets once damaged, it takes very much efforts to to repair and heal. Also, I would like to tell you that my hair now looks like this, but earlier my hair was really in a bad situation. Who know me personally, they know really I was so in trauma. And I will surely make another video on my hair care routine, that how from the worst. I have pictures of that time when my hair were like thin, and like I have to cut them more often so that they look quite a little volume on them. Now they have now look, I haven't washed them, and recently I changed my shampoo, and that's why they are not looking as healthy as they usually look. But nowadays they have completely changed. Like my hair were like worse. And also I would like to add that I will be adding one video on how to care your skin, because skin is as important as hair. We do not take as much care of skin as we take of our hair. So now we should proceed to our video first, and then another video. So our next is this jewelry, which has an elephant type of structure on it, and it looks really, it looks decent on these Bengali saris are there, on which there is a zari of golden color, and the whole sari is either of off-white color, cream color, or just white color. So on that type of sari, it will look really nice. And my mother has that one sari which my sister brought from Bangalore only. I know I have so many times said Bangalore, but really if you ever go to Bangalore, you need to shop for at least 10,000 rupees, because Bangalore is so nice for shopping. I mean, there is so much variety of everything. Traditional is good there, Western is good there. Everything is so good over there, and you will spend the whole time in Bangalore. Is like, I love firstly Nagpur, but after that, if ever I choose Bangalore. So these are the earrings on this one, and this also contains this cute elephant type of structure, and they look really elegant on those Bengali saris, I must say. And after that we have this. This is quite an old. There was a oval moon-like structure over this. They take it off, and now it looks like this. Obviously, married people have to wear Mangalsutra on saris. So quite close. When you wear many ornaments, you don't have often so much of jewelry that one goes with the another. So I like to keep it like simple. We have spent so much money on our outfits, so why we cover all them with lot of jewelry. Like I have wear these earrings. You can style it anyway, it's your choice, because first of all we do fashion for ourselves, so that we look nice and we have a confidence of carrying all these. So let's, again I have to say that let's proceed to our video. Let us complete. Okay, so next, and I think this is quite a last items. Yes, this one my sister made by herself. This is a DIY. I know it's not looking nice right now, but I will share photo of these. For now, you can have a look on this. With this we have come to the end of the video. I would like to add that I will be coming with a series of DIYs, and I won't call it DIY, I will call it best from the West. So in last video you have seen this jeans wala top. Look, you have seen this in my last video. I know you will be surprised to know that this was stitched by me only. I will be adding this tops video. I will ask you to please subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like my video, or hit dislike button if you don't. Thank you. Bye.